How to deposit money into someone else's account.
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through the steps to deposit money into someone else's bank account. This is a routine transaction, but it can be a bit confusing if you haven't done it before. Let's break it down.
Understand the basics.
The first thing to understand is that there are multiple ways to deposit money into someone else's account. You can do it in person at a bank branch, via an online transfer, or through a mobile banking app. Remember, it's important to know the recipient's bank account details, such as their account number and bank name, to ensure the money goes to the right place.
In-person deposit.
The simplest and most straightforward way is to make the deposit in person at the bank branch. You'll need to bring cash or a check to the bank, along with the account details of the person you want to deposit money for. This process usually involves filling out a deposit slip, providing the recipient's account number and the amount you wish to deposit.
Online transfers.
For online transfers, first, you'll need to log into your online banking platform. There will be an option for transfer, send money, or something similar. You'll be asked for the recipient's account number, bank name, and sometimes their name as it appears on the account. Input the amount you want to send, double-check the details, and then confirm the transaction.
Mobile app deposits.
Depositing through a mobile banking app follows a similar procedure as online transfers. Log into your mobile banking app and look for the transfer, send, or pay feature. Input the necessary recipient's account details, enter the amount, confirm the details, and complete the transaction.
Using payment apps.
Payment apps like Venmo, PayPal, or Zelle are other convenient ways to transfer funds. You'll need the recipient's email address or phone number linked to their account on these platforms. Just enter the amount you want to send, write a note, optional, and confirm the transaction. And there you have it. These are the primary ways you can deposit money into someone else's bank account. Remember, always double-check the recipient's information to ensure the money goes to the right place. We hope this guide has been helpful, and we're confident you'll be able to complete your transaction smoothly. Stay tuned for more banking tips and tricks.